Oh, good morning, good morning. And we're out here again on a favorite spot. See if we can catch some reds. I already caught two little rat reds, so we're hoping for a slot. Beautiful day. Looks like I'm by myself, so let's enjoy it. Stay tuned. Hopefully we catch limit. Everybody's busy working. I could hear all the machinery in the background. I had live shrimp back there. Just put on a little gulp shrimp. Seems like they're pretty active. There's nothing like coming up. I started with top water, but that didn't work out, so I switched. I always bring all the options to the table. Top water, maybe a wake bait, some gulp shrimp, live shrimp. Never know what they want. Gotta have options. Something chasing it, alright. Let's cast this way. That'll be the last cast and we'll move on. I'm hoping for some speckled trout. I wanted to eat some. Beautiful day though. I started off when I left the house, it was 34 degrees. I got here and it was 55. It's starting to heat up. I can feel the sun burning my face. And there's nothing. Well, I'm gonna try over here. What I love about light braid, even if your braid is light, it'll go pretty far. Just gonna play with the big one. Oh, I just got tapped. Oh, felt like a small bite. Just gonna play with the big ones and let the drag work for you. Let's cast out there again. That felt good. I'm working it pretty fast and it seems like they wanted fast. Thought the water was going to be a little colder, but it seems like it's just right. Oh, I just got hit again. Right there. There it is. Feels like a little red. Oh yeah. What is it? What is it? Little red. Red. Number. Beautiful. Look at that. It doesn't have a blue tail though. And go back. I liking that shrimp. We need Big Mama. Mama, big papa. Try it again. Chunk it out there again. Started to pick up. Said it was going to be like 10 miles per hour today, so not bad. Very calm day. Oh, there it is. Ooh, baby. I would say that's a speckle, not a head shaking. Just gotta play with that. Oh, that's a red. Speckle. I think that's legal, right? Come on, boy. Come here, boy. Ooh. It's feisty. Yes. I doubt he's legal. Okay, you just got entangled. Over the line, buddy. Come on. Thank you, sir, for the shower. It's a nice one right there. I don't think he'll measure. Got my... Alright, buddy. I'll let you go. For sure. I got ourselves something on the cork. I wasn't recording just because we were moving. It always happens when we're moving. And when I'm moving. Me and the kayak. Looks like he's coming towards. Look at the red. Nice and easy. Just bring him in. Yeah, it's a red. It's a little red. Good one right there. No blue tail. Huh. So cute. Go. Toss out another shrimp. There's jumbo shrimp today. Lively one right there. Alright, things slowed down, so I've moved a lot. About maybe 200 yards. Second cast and I caught a flat boy. I think this would be like my 4th flatty ever. So I'm a little excited. I don't even know if it's legal. I'm like so excited. All kinds of stuff leaves on my net. Wow. Okay, dude. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, barely hooked. Check that out. This is so unique. I don't think it's legal though. It'd be 15 inches, so it's almost legal. And that mark. That mark all the way to. Yep. 14 3/4. They're so beautiful. Keep trying. All of them are feisty today. Alright. Everything seems like they want artificial, no light. Cause we got this nice one here. He's really caught. Not being very aggressive though. You win my shrimp. Nice one. 17. Keeper. Keeping it. Nice one. We moved a little bit more. The guys came back. The fly fisherman. He got close to me again. It was a shrimp boat. I'm getting little bites here and there. Something tried to take it and took some of my drag. I think it's snack time. Slim is growling. Want to commit to it. You want to hold it in their mouth and just walk with it. Okay, swim with it. Let me just drift a little bit more. There's a lot of potholes. Let's see if we catch us a nice speckler. I've been saying that since I moved. I don't lose hope. Just gotta keep trying. Oh, I just got a hit there. It's just panfish messing with me. They don't commit, so they don't seem to move. Oh! He had it with him. Whoa. Oh, I don't want to keep him, but he already took it all the way in. I didn't even feel him. He's gonna die, for sure. Oh yeah. Nice Speckled. Talking about it. Yep, he took it all the way in. God darn it. Oh, he's for sure 20. Oh, he has some weight to it. Oh, she. Yep, took it all the way in. What? I didn't feel it. Oh, I don't like keeping anything over 19 or 18 inches. And this one for sure is way over. As you can see, He took it all the way in. Darn it. He's gonna die. Well, I'll be back with y'all. The beautiful one. And she took it all the way in there. Oh, I'll do some surgery and I'll be back with you. That's it, folks. We're heading back. It was a great day. I think I caught about 15, 16. So we'll see y'all next time. Hopefully it'll be at the Devils or at the lake. It's gonna be freshwater time. We'll let saltwater rest for a little bit. So we'll see y'all next time, and click to subscribe. Thank you very much.